Remember his Caribbean blood down in your veins. Remember your sunshine now when you meet the...
Hey guys, so welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mickisha. If it's your first time here, guys, welcome. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Join the family. Hit the notification bell. Follow your girl on social media. So I actually did a video doing my wash and go. My hair is still drying, but as I went to edit it, the sound is horrible. Not the video quality. The sound is horrible. So I'm not sure if it's my camera or if it's my mic. I double checked the mic. So I'm just drawing this line under my brows, and I'm gonna connect it on top. 2020 started off with a beautiful high. I was able to go to Trinidad Carnival this year. Honestly, I can be honest with you guys. While I was in Trinidad Carnival this year, I honestly did not think the pandemic was a big deal, or barely watching TV, watching the news, keeping up with what the hell is going on in the world. Your girl was in her own world. When I came back from Trinidad is when I realized, damn, shit is really serious. Like, so my phone, I don't know, I gotta fix the settings or whatever. I didn't like the way it was looking, so I went and got my vlog camera. So now I'm using the Canon G7X. Since I put this on and it's been sitting for a while, as I changed camera and I added lighting in the back, yo, all I want is the best quality for you guys. So I'm using the same brush and I'm just blending out the foundation. I feel like this foundation matches me pretty well, but I also feel like it could be like a tad bit darker. I know like nothing is gonna be perfect, but yeah. So I was telling you guys that with the shutdown, I was afforded the chance to be able to be home for some time, and I took advantage of that opportunity as far as like business ideas and different things I want to change with my channel. So for 2021, you guys will be seeing more consistency from your girl. Definitely more consistency. I was able to revamp my Trinidad Carnival website. Shout out to the brand Barbie for doing that for me. Y'all, if you guys have not checked out the new website, you guys need to check it out. I believe I got over 150 hits on the site within the first week that I launched. So truly grateful for everyone that has been checking it out. This is the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Espresso, by the way, but I'm just using that to contour. But what I'm trying to say is that with Trinidad Carnival, you can't stick. It's not a carnival that you can plan last minute. You have to like be on top of it. So that's what I'm trying to do with the group. So even if you don't register right now, which I think you should, also put like the payment plans on the side and what the payment plans will be. You can start saving your money, put the money aside for it, so that when it is announced and stuff, you're not struggling to make the payments and you're not left behind. Because that's how I'm able to keep my costs down or not feel the brunt of the cost for Trinidad Carnival. I plan early, so as soon as tickets are released, your girl is purchasing tickets. So it's just a lot. It's a lot of planning so that you don't feel the brunt of the money. You're still spending the money, you're just not spending the money all at once. That's why I really offer payment plans. Using the Morphe Showmans. So for 2021, I'm wishing you guys like all the best. Health, wealth, strength. Go after your dreams. Y'all, life is short. Life is so short. Go after your dreams. You want to do something, do it. Like, there's no time like the present. Still be responsible. Not saying like go ahead and just quit your job and jump into anything. You can put your foot in the water, test it out. If it's something that you tested out already and you're ready to take that leap of faith, by all means go ahead, but make sure you have things in place. I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Jackie Aina collab. I'm using Ginger, Edges, and Credit. Y'all, this palette, fold it over. This palette right here, if you're going out, going on vacation, and you just want to take one palette, this palette is amazing. It has stuff like this for like an everyday beat, and it also has your shimmers and stuff in here if you want to like be a little extra. I'm gonna put Sponsored on my lids. Just because I feel like being a little extra. Just gonna take the same blending brush. I'm gonna take Edges and I'm just gonna buff out around the shimmer. Next, I'm gonna take Dollars. Just gonna put it in my inner corner just to brighten that up. I'm gonna use this Crayon Case eyeliner. So y'all, eyeliner is something that I've been getting better at. I used to be afraid like I just messed up the entire look. But yeah, and I have hooded eyes too. I'm gonna put on some mascara. Y'all, I really want to say to everybody that has been supporting my channel, been supporting me on Instagram, I want to say thank you. 2020 couldn't have been possible. This channel wouldn't be where it is without you guys. And I appreciate each and every single one of you guys. I'm just brushing out my brows. There's no product on this. Just combing through the brows. This beautiful purple shimmer right here is what I'm going to put on the lower lash line. I'm going to take this black eyeliner and just smoke it out a little bit. I'm going to put some mascara on my lower lash line. I'm going to put Wigglies in the inner corner, which is right next to Shockington. This nice copper red. Just in the inner corner to give it a little bit of something. I'm going to take my Makeup Forever foundation in the color Y535 and I'm just going to set my face. Go back in with the Fit Me. I'm still using the brow setting gel and I'm just going to use that on these brows. 24-hour brow setter by Benefit. If you guys would like me to do like a drugstore makeup look, let me know. I'm not against that at all. I know I have like a mixture. I just find what works, and if it happens to be drugstore, I'll use it. If it happens to be high-end, I'll use it. But I don't really have a preference where I only use drugstore or only use high-end. Your girl use whatever works and gets the job done. I don't know why I like doing that, but after I put it in, I like just tapping it a little bit to like just in the very front, tapping. I don't know. The NYX Matte Setting Spray. Get all that powder out of here. You guys see these curls, man? Look at these curls. This is the end of this video. Thanks for like getting ready with me. I'm gonna be running some basic errands. Your girl need to go to Best Buy and replace this mic and see if the mic is an issue. If not, I'm gonna have to buy a camera, which I'm not in the mood for right now. It's not in the budget right now at all. Guys, thank you so much for rocking with me. Thank you for an amazing 2020. 2021 is gonna be amazing. I have to speak it into existence. We are all gonna come out on the other side. I know a lot of people are going through it right now. We're gonna be okay. All right, we just gotta keep the faith, be smart, protect ourselves and our families, and be informed, you know. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.
All who did not know me when I done, they gon' know the name. Million people coming down, dancing to a song.